System 8, Designing, New Project. Room Dimensioning. To start a new project, go to the Projects tab and open the project list. Choose the Add New option. You can enter a project name and select the library you want to use for designing. In the Komandor Professional Library, you can design any type of furniture, element by element. It also contains an additional pool of ready-made carcasses that you can use. In the Komandor Smart Library, you can only use dedicated carcasses and predefined modules to fill them. The Komandor Walls library is used for building partition walls. The ICOM library is designed for creating kitchens using ICOM technology, as well as other freestanding furniture. In this case, let's select the Komandor Professional Library. In the next step, you can dimension the room. For simple layouts, you can set the niche dimensions, including room height, width, depth, niche width, and niche depth. At any time, you can go to the Advanced tab to modify these dimensions. If you want to add a sloped ceiling, you can insert a slope on either the left or right side. To better understand the data you need to enter, a reference diagram is provided. In this case, set the x1 distance to 400, and x3 will be calculated automatically. Set the y1 distance from the floor to 1000. This will create a slope on the left side. For a slope on the right side, perform the same steps. Next, let's move on to setting up the entire room. Here, you can also change the room height, width, and depth. This creates a space in which you can design on all four walls. You can also add slopes. If you want to add a slope on one of the sides or at the back, indicate where you want it to be, set its parameters, and confirm. In this example, we added a slope at the back. Additionally, for each wall, you can define the depth at which elements will be placed. For example, set 550 for the front wall and 500 for the left wall. This way, every element you insert into the project will automatically adjust to the defined depth. As we can see, the panel was inserted at a depth of 550. If we insert a panel on the left wall, it will be placed at 500. Therefore, it is important to define the insertion depth for each wall. If you often use the same settings, for example, you always want to start a project at a specific height, you can save these changes as default settings.